Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to set up this watch AW49. And first, let's make sure you are in the timekeeping mode and take a look at this digital display. So it should show the time without a TT symbol here. So let me just press the mode button. This is going to be the date, and then this is the alarm, and this is the dual time. And sometimes people get mistaken this one as the timekeeping mode, and then the stopwatch, and this one is the timekeeping mode. Okay, and then from here let's do the LCD check, and to do that press the mode and adjust button at the same time, but the trick is to press the adjust button first and then the mode button like this. Okay, and it will show this LCD check screen. Okay, and then press the mode button, we will see the next LCD check screen, and then again mode button, again, until it returns to the timekeeping mode. Okay, next we will do the alarm sound check, and it will also change the pitch of the beep. It can be done in any mode, and to do that just press the mode button and hold like this, and it will give a beeping sound. And now if we press the mode button, it will give out beep with that level of pitch. Okay, and if I want to change and do the alarm sound check, press again the mode button and hold. Okay, higher again, press and hold, higher, and then press and hold. So in total there are 4 that you can choose. Yeah, I will just choose, okay, the third one. Okay, and now let's return to the timekeeping mode, and here I just got there, so no TT symbol here, meaning this is the timekeeping mode. And then after that, let's set the time. So for this, I would suggest that you set the digital time first and then the analog time, not the other way around. From this timekeeping mode, to set the time, just press and hold the adjust button. Okay, and now you will see that the second is flashing. And yes, if it is 29 or less, if you press the mode button, it will become 0 without additional minute. But if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. Let me just press this mode button, and now 0 without additional minute. Okay, next, press again the adjust button, and we move to the hour. And yeah, if you want to change the hour, press the mode button, it will increase the number. Okay, again press the adjust button, and now is the minute. If you want to increase the minute, just press the mode button and so on. So let me just, let's say it's 22:20, so okay, like this. Yes, and then press again the adjust button, and now is the time format 12 hours or 24 hours. And to select the time format, just press the mode button, and it will switch from 24 and 12 and vice versa. Okay, and then press again the adjust button. Now exit from the setting and returns to the timekeeping mode. Okay, now we move to the next mode. Press the mode button, and now is the calendar. And to set the calendar, easy, just press and hold the adjust button. And now is the month. You can change the month, increase the number by pressing the mode button. So let me just press and returns to 11. Okay. Yes, and then press the adjust button to move to the next item, and that is the date. Press the mode button to increase. Okay, same way, and then press again the adjust button, and now is the day. You can use the mode button to change the day, Saturday, Sunday, and so on. Okay, press again the adjust button, and done for the calendar. Okay, let's move on to the next mode. Press the mode button, and now is the alarm. So let's set the alarm as 5:30 in the morning. So to do that, press and hold the adjust button. Okay, and then this is the hour. Press the mode button, so now it moves, let's say 5:30. Okay, and then 5, done, and now press the adjust button. This is the first digit of the minute, so I press the mode button to increase 1, 2, 3. Okay, And then press the adjust button if you want to change the second digit of the minute. So let's say not 5:30 but 5:35. So I press the mode button 5 times. And now 5:35. Press again the adjust button to select which features are active. So this one is the alarm and the hourly signal active. So the alarm is the top symbol and the hourly signal is the bottom one. Press the mode button to cycle through the options. So this one both active, this one is both not active. Again mode button, this one is only the alarm and this one is only the hourly signal. So let's say I want to activate both. So I press the mode button several times until both symbol is showing. Okay, and after that press the adjust button and you have already set the alarm. Next, press again the mode button to move to the next mode, and that is this one, the dual time. So for the dual time you can set the hour and minute, and to do that just press and hold the adjust button. Okay, and now the hour. If you want to increase the number, just press the mode button like this. Okay, and then next press the adjust button to move to the next item, and that is the minute. Press the mode button to increase. Let's say 11 p.m. 20. Okay, and then press again the adjust button to change to the time format for the dual time. You can select 12 hours or 24 hours format and vice versa. Just press the mode button. Let's say I want to set as 24 hour, and then press again the adjust button and done for the dual time. Anyway, a simple tips, if you want to avoid confusion for the dual time, just set it to have the same time with the timekeeping. But maybe you use the timekeeping with 12-hour format and then the dual time with 24-hour format, or vice versa. Next, press again the mode button and we are moving to the stopwatch. For this one, you can use the adjust button to start, stop and reset. To do that, press the adjust button once to start, press again to stop or pause, and press again if you want to start. Okay, and press again if you want to stop. And anyway, if you want to reset, press and hold the adjust button like this. Okay, and then press the mode button and we return to the timekeeping mode. Now we have set the time for the digital and alarm and so on. And then now we will set the analog time. As you can see here, it's not fully synchronized. It just sends signal every 20 seconds to move the analog time by 1/3 of a minute. And yes, it's different. It's not following the digital time that we have just set. So to make it the same, you can use the hand set button here, the flash button. And every push or every press is 1/3 of a minute or 20 seconds. Okay, and you can press and hold to move the hands continuously. So let me show you. 10:26 p.m. So yeah, just let's push and hold, and if you release, it will stop. Okay, so we will release if it's already near the time that it should be. So now 10, 20, okay, 24, and we need to be in the 26. So let's say this is 26 and this is 26:30 and done. Yes, that's it. You have already set the time, the alarm, and also using the stopwatch, and also set the dual time and so on for this watch, Casio AW49. And yeah, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, hit the subscribe button, and have a great day.